For sale is this lovely Austin Healey BJ8 Mk, finished in Old English white with a black interior and a black canvas convertible top. This car was owned by the same lady since the 1960s, and a couple of years ago she commissioned to have the car restored with the intent of driving it once again. But the current long-term owner sadly is no longer able to drive, so this Austin Healey needs a new home. The car has recently undergone a full restoration and was completely stripped to the metal, and everything was refurbished and rebuilt. The engine, transmission, brakes, suspension have all been done. A complete new wiring harness was installed. New tires on chromed knockoff wire wheels suit this car perfectly. The interior was completely refurbished with new carpets, seat covers and seat foam. The lovely burl walnut dash was also refinished. Underneath the hood, it looks just as good as it does on the outside. You can see that every single component has been replaced or rebuilt. It's California titled and registered and currently located in Los Angeles. Inspections are welcome, and I can arrange a delivery to a port for overseas buyers or trucking for out-of-state buyers. Please contact me below on neil@thecarappraiser.com. This car drives wonderfully. The suspension is super tight and sure-footed, equipped with a torquey 150 horse, 3-litre straight-six engine coupled to a 4-speed gearbox. The car shifts through the gears with no issues, and the front disc brakes will stop the car on a dime. These big Healeys make a perfect car for touring through the Italian Alps or a Sunday drive through Malibu. They are so much fun to drive, and be prepared for plenty of thumbs up. It's California titled and registered and currently located in Los Angeles. Inspections are welcome, and I can arrange a delivery to a port for overseas buyers or trucking for out-of-state buyers. Please contact me below on neil@thecarappraiser.com. That's it for this Austin Healey. This car is for sale, so if you are interested, please contact me for more details, and thanks for watching.